up, YouTubers? This is Swede, commuted from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic song by Frank Sinatra, My Way. Alright, cool. Super hot here in my music room, but whatever. Okay, so song is in D major. So let's go with the chords. D major. We got a D major 7. So that's 2 2 2 starting on the G string. We got a D7. It's 2 1 2. To B7 9. So that's 2 on the A string, 1 D, 2 G, and 2 E. That's a strumming too, just downstrokes. Okay, so that's the chords in the beginning, but it's also bass traveling. So if you want to play that, D and then C sharp over D major 7 and then C over D7. It's kind of hard to. So if you really want to do that, you can. C sharp over D major 7, so that's 4A, and then grab a D7 and play C. So that's going to take it to the B9, B7. That's it. But it works just to do the D to D major 7. Okay, next part, E minor 7. That's just one finger, 2 on A string, E minor 7. Move that finger to 5, A. Play a D over E minor, so no low E string. Start on the A string, and then a C sharp over E minor. And now you want to mute the D string so you don't play the D here. To quick A7. It's 2 D, 2 B, to D major. Let's do from E minor. A7 D. Okay, next part. D, D7, to G major. Make that a G minor. It's a G minor bar chord, bar 3, 5 5, A string, D string, and then end with that's A major. Alright, let me play the verse again, and then we have the chorus. That comes after like 3 verses. So D major, D major 7, D7, to D, B7 9, E minor 7, D over E minor, C sharp, quick A7, D major, D after the A, but G works fine too. Okay, so that's the verses. And then we have the chorus when it goes like sings way high. Big chorus D7 into G, stay on G, E minor, A7. Okay, here's gonna change a little bit. F sharp minor, bar chord. That's 2 4 4. To B minor, bar chord. Bar 2 4 4 3. Starting on the A string, and then end with E minor. Play through again, verse. To D. Hi folks, thanks for hanging out. Be safe, and I see you tomorrow.